The Tree of Life shooting was a tragedy that shook Pittsburgh and the nation. The shooting has led to an outpouring of support for the Jewish community from people of all faiths. Interfaith leaders in Pittsburgh are working to build bridges between different faith communities. The shooting has highlighted the need for greater understanding and respect between different religions. The shooting has also led to calls for stricter gun control laws. The Tree of Life shooting was the deadliest attack on a Jewish community in American history. The shooting has caused many people to reflect on the importance of religious freedom. The shooting has also led to increased security at synagogues and other Jewish institutions.